So if you're interested in the EcoFlow Glacier portable refrigerator, I want to show you all of its features and benefits, as well as the accessories you can get with this portable refrigerator and kind of what you need to do what. So hopefully this video will be helpful. So first, an overview of what this is. This is a portable refrigerator. It's not just a cooler because it has a DC compressor in it, and it has a latch on the front because you want this to be insulated. And inside of here is the area where you're going to put all of your stuff that's going to be kept cold. You can change this from -13 degrees all the way up to 50 degrees. That's the thermostat. You can do one zone or two zones. So this thing is pretty cool that you can do one or two zones. And at the top here on the lid, you can store this either a cutting board, or you can use it as the divider. And so what you do is you just put that in there, and this thing can automatically detect, maybe with a Hall sensor, that there are two different zones here. And then on the screen over here, you'll see two different thermostats that you can change. There's a light, LED light on either side here, so if it's darker out, you can see your contents in here. One of the most unique features, I would say, of this thing is the ice maker. So you push this button right here, and you can see I have been making some ice. It's all wet down in there, but you get a little tray. It makes 18 ice cubes. And check out the build quality on this. This just shows you how amazing this whole thing is. So you just push this and see how the other handle goes down. The ice gets made in there very quickly, and you can make larger cubes or smaller cubes. Obviously the larger cubes take longer. And there's enough room in here to pour water in and then make ice cubes, take them out, and there's still more water left in here. So you can make several rounds of ice cubes with just pouring water in there once. I know when you get the Glacier all by itself, here are the things that it comes with. It comes with this basket that fits on one side, so you can put contents in here, so it makes it easy to lift. Inside of here, I have a scoop. You get this scoop here for ice. You get two charging cables. One charging cable is for your car, so your 12-volt outlet in your car. And I don't think you can run the ice maker off of this 12-volt connection. I've not tried it, but that's what I heard. But that I definitely know you can run it off this AC power brick. So those are some of the things that it comes with by itself. You also get the manual. But the other things that you can get with this is that you can get a 298 watt-hour battery that fits in the back side over here on the Glacier. This is a separate purchase, but this is kind of necessary if you want to have this thing running when you're out, in the middle of nowhere, or if you want to hook it up to a solar panel. This thing can take up to 240 watts of solar, which is very impressive, but you do need the battery for that. So if you're thinking about buying it, make sure you include the battery if you want to hook it up to a solar panel. The other add-on that you can do with the Glacier is this wheel and handle kit that you have to install. But you get this handle and you get wheels because when this thing is loaded down, it can get pretty heavy. So it's nice to be able to wheel it around. It comes with handles on both sides to be able to pick it up and carry it around. So this is the EcoFlow Glacier battery, and it comes like this out of the box. It is a separate purchase, or you can buy it as a combination with the Glacier itself. And there's a compartment down here. All you have to do is open this up, and then you can stick the battery right in there, click it into place, and close that back up. Now let's turn it on and see what we get on the screen. All right, so here's what the screen looks like. It's a very clear, very nice display. You have all of your icons at the top. You can see it's on Wi-Fi right here, so I can communicate with the Glacier via the app or with Bluetooth. But with Wi-Fi, I can really be anywhere in the world and communicate or monitor this. This is showing me the inside temperature of the compartment right now, 55 degrees. And if I want to change the thermostat, I can change it like with here. I can set it 25, 26 degrees Fahrenheit. And because I have the divider taken out, it only has one zone in there. But check this out. This is super cool. So when you go to put in this divider, you put it in and watch what happens. It automatically detected that and went to 2 zones, and I can change the temperature on either one of these. Or if you take it out, you can see it goes back to 1 zone. And it is it's pretty cool that it's running off of battery power. You can see it's 24% right here. And so I could charge this up again with a solar panel or the wall AC or the car. All right, so I just turned on the button to make ice. I'm running off the battery. You can see I've got 22%, and it says it's gonna take 15 minutes to make the ice. All right, it is finished making ice. It took 15 minutes, and it looks like it took about 7% of the battery to make the ice. Let's see what it looks like. You have to rock it to get it off, but here's what the ice cubes look like. Let's pull one of them off. So you get a nice cylindrical shape to the ice. Here's what all of them look like on here. And so there's enough liquid in here, enough water in here that I could empty these ice cubes, put this back down, and then run it again. And again, I could run it off the battery. Hopefully this has been a helpful look at the EcoFlow Glacier and some of the accessories that you can get with it.